How to do squat kicks. 1. Starting position. Stand with feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider for more stability. Toes pointed forward or slightly out. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders back, and core engaged. 2. Squat phase. Push hips back and bend knees as if sitting into a chair. Keep knees tracking over toes. Don't let them cave inward. Go down until thighs are parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. Keep weight in your heels, not your toes. 3. Kick phase. Drive up through your heels to stand. As you rise, lift one knee and extend your leg forward in a controlled front kick. Kick from the hip, not just snapping the knee. Flex your foot so toes point upward. Return the leg to the floor. 4. Repeat. Perform another squat. Kick with the opposite leg. Continue alternating legs for your desired reps or time. Core tight. Keeps balance and protects your lower back. Controlled kicks. Don't fling your leg. Engage your muscles. Please check my next video.